Are you looking to connect your Canon printer to Wi-Fi, but you need more help as the setup process seems a little complicated? I totally get it. Whether this is your first time setting up a wireless printer or you've just switched to a new network, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. Plus, if you get stuck at some point during the connection process, our experts are available for one-on-one assistance. Just dial the numbers on your screen. Alright, let's get into it.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
First, make sure your Canon printer is powered on. Then, pull up the LCD screen. That's where we'll be going everything. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the little settings icon. A menu will pop up. From there, go ahead and select Device Settings. Next, scroll down a little and tap on LAN Settings. Now, select Wi-Fi from the options you see on the screen. Tap Wi-Fi Setup to proceed with the connection process. On the next screen, choose Manual Contact. Your printer will now start scanning for Wi-Fi networks nearby. Just give it a little moment to complete the scan. Once your Wi-Fi name shows up on the screen, simply tap on it to select it. Now, tap on the password box where it says "Please enter" and type in your Wi-Fi password carefully. Hit confirm, and that's really all there to it. Your Canon printer should now be fully connected to your wireless network.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.